Hey Alex, about 15 to 25% of the work that you're doing, you're not getting paid for. Oh yeah, I am. I get paid for everything that I'm doing. When I directly bring an idea to a client, because they're afraid, because they're a burn victim, because they don't want to change, they're inherently going to push back on me. But if we point this at a news article, hey, I just read an article in this journal, I just saw something, I just attended an event that found that advertising companies are blank, 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 right? You could even point it at a third client. Hey, the reason why I wanted to reach out to you, Alex, is we had a client in a very similar situation. I'm not at liberty to really say their name because I don't want to share their personal information, but what we found is, north of 20% of the work that they were doing, they weren't getting billed for. And I just wanted to make sure you were aware of this, because once we discovered the problem, it was pretty easy to solve. Does it make sense for me to kind of walk through what we did for them and see if you're seeing some of these things? The more you can point your ideas at a third party, client, association, article that you read, event you attended, the more receptive that client is going to be to your ideas.